Hey everybody, welcome back to Shiny Shopping Saga. So we are on our way into Big Lots. I don't know if I'm gonna post, well, I'm not gonna post all the videos in the same day, but I'm out getting all of my essentials. I went to Walmart and Sam's Club. Now I'm going to see what I can get out of Big Lots. Let me get a shopping cart. Just in case. Oh, they have the sanitizer to clean the cart. Let's see. Okay, so they still got some stuff left for each. So over here they have the Bay Tree cushion chair for $277. They have the cushion seat covers, all the different colors, all of the different pillows. My Happy Place, Home Sweet Home. More pillows. What's that? Oh, that said it's pretty. $5.99. I like this one too. This one is nice. This whole setup over here is nice. We have all of the garden stuff out. Oh, look at how cute the dog is. The dog-shaped lamp. And more of the trees over there. Let's see. The lighted chandelier. This is cute. They have it in that one and then the white. It's a cute table. Let's see some of the outside garden stuff. Look at the turtle, the gnome. Look at this one. Have the plates and stuff over here. That one. I like the yellow one a lot better. I guess it goes along like with the lemon theme. I like that one. Have all of your stuff for your outside picnic. Oh, look at these cups. These cups are too cute. This is pretty. The ice cream and watermelon plates. They have the big tub baskets for the ice and the platter plates. Oh, that's cute. The lemon, the flower, another platter plate. The cups. So this is pretty. It says welcome with the bike. And then this welcome sign is $26, and they also have that one. The cute jar, the camper, Home Sweet Home. And they also have some flowers. It's pretty, the black. Oh, I really like this one. Of course, they have all of the beach theme stuff over here. The lighthouse, the ducks. Oh, look at the shark. Lantern. Really cute. It says you had me at Aloha, party like a flamingo, in the light. And they have some of these, the citronella candles with the flamingos, and these outside at the top, the tabletop decor. More. And of course down here, the 4th of July. It's a really cute pillow. The rugs, that one with the truck, all of the patriotic. I like this sign. Welcome. The wind chimes. I like this one too. Family, friends, freedom. God bless America. My house. God bless my house. That one is 15. And they also have these. These are really cute. Welcome home. Is that the same one? Oh yeah, it's the same one behind. The patriotic dog, the table toppers, the flames, the napkins. They have the flag bunting. And this one, oh, this one is cute. Welcome. I don't know if I showed you guys. And more candles. What do they call these? Bokeh clips? Towel bokeh clips. It's nice. I picked the kids up some of those because if we don't get to celebrate the 4th, have a big cookout, we're still gonna have our own party.
That would be a great flavor.
Oh, look at JoJo. She's $15 here. Just pretty much taking it, guys. all the way down the store with me. Since I can't talk to you guys the whole time, I might as well take you through the whole store with me. Oh, they just had these at BJ's. I don't know the price of them here. Oh, that's gonna be fun. Bumping Buddies. Ultimate Spider-Man. Really did need some. Oh, this is fun. Splish Splash Bopping Ring. Let me see. They need some headphones. It looks like I see that on the next aisle. A little cushion head came off. Oh look, perfect. These are 10 bucks. I'll grab these for her. My son needed some too, but he likes the Bluetooth. He does not like the strings, so I have to order those online for him. Active pool. Okay, I like this one. This one is cute too. Look at the shoes. Oh, these are really cute. These are like the lines we saw earlier in Walmart. Oh, look at that. That's a pretty patio set. All of the giant planters. This table is gorgeous. $3.49. 5-piece gray faux marble tub set. This one is $3.69. This is cute. We just passed by this on the way in, but I didn't stop because they were kind of like over here shopping. This is cute. Home Sweet Home. Little cups with the pom-poms on it. Oh, the pillows are gone. Okay. Let's see. They actually changed the store around too since the last time I was in. I don't know if they did it for better shopping experience because they only allow so many people in at one time, or did they just change it around? This is cute. I have some cute pictures. The Browns. These cups are really pretty. Flamingo sippers. And then they also have these. These are $9. The different water dispensers, or juice dispensers. Different shoes out over here. These laundry baskets are cute. So it says wash, dry, fold, repeat. These are 15. I see the dark gray and then the light gray. They actually have a little waterproof tablet holder if you're in the pool with your tablet. That's my first time seeing that. And of course some life jackets, lifeboats. What does this say? A pool chlorinator? That. These and some water guns. Some goggles, some ABC, the Splish Splash. I think I got one of these last year from 5 and Below. That was really fun. And the mermaid squishies. Oh cute, they have the little different goggles and a sun hat.